You can put them on mine. If your drinks need a bar tab, put them on mine. Try your hand at a slow dance. If your last keys need a nightstand, if your boots need a bedroom floor, you can put them on mine. You can put them on mine. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested. It was requested recently, so if you make a request, I'll promise I'll get to it as soon as I can. Sometimes I can get to them within less than 24 hours. Sometimes it'll take me a week, but I'll do my best. All right, so if you have requests, please let me know. Also, please hit like and subscribe so you'll get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, especially because if you subscribe and you make a request, then you'll get notified when I come out with it. So make sure you do that and hit the subscription bell and all that other self-promotional crap. All right, so let's get into it. So this song is in sound tuning, has a capo on the 3rd fret, okay? You're just gonna use 4 chords for this song. These chords are G, and I actually use both G's in this one. You can do whatever is easy for you. The reason I use both G's is because at first you'll go from G to D, and it's very easy if you do this kind of G and then go to D, okay? The next chord you're gonna use is F, and then C. Now, the reason that I use the other G is because when you go from C, after you do C, you go to G. So that's very easy to do, but then it's harder to go to D. So that's up to you guys, okay? So do what you want and what is better for you, but it's up to you, all right? So let's do this thing. So when you start on the song, the intro, you're just gonna do G, D, F, C, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do the strumming pattern, the chord progression, and I'm gonna show you how to do where with the different lyrics and throughout the chorus and the verses and stuff. So stick around for the whole video, okay? So you're gonna do G, all right, D, F, C. Okay, so I'm just doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, then so you're gonna do that the first time you go through G. You do G, D, F, C in the intro. You're gonna do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down. Now after we do this the second time, down, down, up, down. So for the second time, we're gonna do it like this. So now you're gonna start over. You're gonna do it just that same thing but faster. Down, down, up, 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 down. So you see that. So then the second time you're doing down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So you're doing down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay? You're gonna do that same thing in the verse. Okay? So when you get to the verse, you're just gonna play it softer. So you're just gonna do G. If your bluebird eyes need a day. Okay, so you're gonna do G up before F. All right, so you go from C. If your bluebird eyes need a place to land tonight. Okay, so you go G. If your bluebird blue eyes need. Okay, need is D. Need a place to land tonight. Baby, baby is F, baby, pull that bar stool up real is C, real close to me. You're pretty, okay, then on you're gonna do G. Your pretty red wine lips need is D, need a place to put a midnight kiss. And then after kiss, you're gonna do F, pick a neon corner, I got just. So just is what you do. It was where you put C. Sorry, I messed up the lyrics. I got just what you need. Okay? So you're gonna do that, but you're gonna do it softer than you did for the intro. So instead of doing it like, okay, for the verse, you're just gonna do it softer like, and I would mainly do the bottom 3 strings like that, okay? You can do the D string a little bit too, but you're just doing it softer for the verse. Because you'll notice songs aren't like super loud the whole time. They're like, they'll get softer and louder and softer and louder and stuff like that. So at the end, when you do C, I got just what you need. You're gonna do, so down, 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 put them on me, mine. Okay, so now after mine's where you're gonna do G. So it goes, pick a neon corner, I got just what you need. Put them on mine, if your drinks need a bar tab, put them on mine. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, you're still doing the same chord progression. In fact, you're gonna do that throughout the song. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do it louder, and you're gonna do put them on mine. Mine is G. Mine, if your drinks need a bar. Bar is D. Bar tab, put them on mine. Mine is F. Mine, try your hand at a slow. Slow is C. Slow dance. If your last is G. Last call keys need a night. Okay, nightstand, but you do it on night. You do D. Nightstand. If your boots, you do F. Boots need a bedroom floor. So floor is C. Floor, you put them on mine. The end of mine, you do G. Mine, and you're just gonna keep playing it out. D. F. C. Now the difference is when you play the second chorus, at the end of that, you're gonna keep playing G, D, F, C, but you're gonna sing the second line, that last line again, put them on mine. So you're gonna do, you can put them on mine. D, you can put them on mine. And that's the only difference. Now the other thing you need to know for the song, the second verse is the same. For the bridge, I would just do single strums. If you want to draw hearts on a window, play a song. Okay, so you're gonna do G on hearts. If you want to draw hearts on G, hearts on a window, play. Sorry, that was hearts on a window, play a song on the radio. The end of radio, you do C. So song is F, radio, end of radio, C. Radio, put your bare feet. G is feet. Feet on a dashboard, baby, that's what I'm here. Here is F, here for. And you go to C after 4. 4. Put them on me. Okay, so you're gonna do C, just that same thing, down, 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 down. You can put them on mine. If your drinks need a bar tab, put them on mine. Try your hand at a slow dance. If your last call keys need a nightstand. If your boots need a bedroom floor, you can put them on mine. Okay, and you just keep playing the song. Now, the way that you just keep playing that chord progression. When you end it, you can just end it on G. And sometimes I like to do a little flick, stuff like that, but you don't have to. You could even do something. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. See me next time.